Let's create a shape key. So we have our cube selected. We're going to go to the green triangle icon and we have our shape key. So the very first shape we're going to be is the default shape. So what we're seeing um, to make sure nothing changes. Now this is also known as the basis. So the basis is like nothing's changed, like everything is nice and happy. But the next one we're going to add, going to click on the plus button again, is the key. So it's known as key one. Let's just call this up. So I just double clicked on it, changed it to up. Okay, so that's fine. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go into edit mode. Edit mode. So now I'm in edit mode, and you notice we have two different ones. We have the basis, and now we have up, or if you didn't rename it, it's known as key. This is the shape key. The basis is the default shape of the mesh. The up, right? This is a shape key. This is the new shape. So let's modify this. So I'm going to click 3 on my keyboard. Goes on the very top here, GZ. Go up like that. Now, if I go to the basis, it goes back to normal, like nothing ever happened. That's because if we go back to the up, right, we're recording it's so essentially a shape key is recording the mesh. It's recording the changes that you put onto the mesh. So each shape key could be a different manipulation of the mesh. So for example, if you were making a face, you would have a shape key to open the mouth. You would have a different shape key for the eyes, so on and so forth. So we have our shape keys, right? The basis, and then the new shape key called up. I'm now going to go from edit mode to object mode. And now, if you see this, right, I have the up selected. I can change the value of this. So the value is from 0 of the shape key not being applied to 1 of it being fully applied. But we can also have like an in-between, which is great for, again, opening a mouth. Because now we have this whole range right here. Now, another reason why you might want to have a shape key is because you're doing wrinkles for a character. Because a rig can only do so much.